Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Now we are see about the subject is maths. See the term 2 portion chapter 1 multiplication. Already you are know about addition and subtraction. Now we are see the multiplication. Are you know about the multiplication table? Yes. Already you are read the multiplication tables. Now we are do the sums. Okay children, see the first one, find the product. First sum, 5 multiplied by 6. You say 5 table up to 6 times. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. See the second sum, 31 multiplied by 3. First you multiply in 1's digit, after you multiply in 10's digit. 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. The answer is 93. See the third sum, 62 multiplied by 7. First you multiply 2 into 7. Say 2 table, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are, you stop at 7 times, 2 7s are 14. 4 only you write in 1's place, 1 is carrying over in 10's place. You say 6 table up to 7 times. Say 6 table, 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 1, 43. You write the numbers in correct digit. How do you understand children? See the fourth sum, 15 multiplied by 30. These two numbers are two digit numbers. You take one digit one's place number to multiply the first number. 0 5 is 0. Any number you multiply with 0, the answer is 0. 0 1 is 0. 3 5s are, say 5 table up to 3 times, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. 5 only you write in 10's place. Why you write in 10's place? You take the 10 digit number multiply by first number. So you start with 10's place. You don't write in 1's place. 3 5s are 15. 5 only you write in 10's place. 1 is carrying over in this 10's place. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. Now you add these two numbers. In 1's place no number, so you assume 0. Here 100's place also no number, so you assume 0. 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. Are you understand children? See the next sum. 232 multiplied by 3. Say 2 table up to 3 times. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 3s are. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Again you say 2 table up to 3 times. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Next 304 multiplied by 14. This is 3 digit number. Second number is 2 digit number. You take 1's 4 4s are 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 6 only you write in ones place. 1 is carrying over in tens place. 4 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. Next 4 3s are, you say 3 table up to 4 times. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Next, you take the tens place number. 1 4 is 4. Where you write it? Yes, you write it tens place. 1 4 is 4. 1 0 0. 1 3 is 3. Now you add these two numbers. Here no value, so you assume 0. 6 plus 0 6. 1 plus 4 5. 2 plus 0 2. 1 plus 3 4. Are you understand, children? Daily you say the multiplication table oral in your home. Okay, children? See the next one. Find the product. 4 into 10. 4 tens are 4 0 4. You multiply it to one space. 4 0 0. 4 1 is 4. First you multiply in one space. Hereafter you multiply in tens place. First you multiply in one space. Hereafter you multiply in tens place. Next 10 tens are 100. 10 see 10 tens are 0 0 1 0 into 0 0 0 1 is 0 1 0 0 1 1 is 1. We add 0 0 1. We get the answer 100. Already you know the table. 10 tens are 100, 4 tens are 40. Already you know about the tables. Next 10 into 145. I say easily to write the number. How many zeros have in tens? 1 0. So you add 1 0. This is very easy. Okay. Here also 1 4 is 4. Here 1 0 only have. So you put 0. Next 5 into 20. First you multiply 5 to 5 into 0 0. Next 5 2s are 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Okay, children? Next 4 0 0. 4 3s are 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. I say easily, children. See 5 2s are 10. You write it. 1 0 have, so you write 0. This is the another one method. Okay. 8 tens are 80. 8 0 0. 8 1 is 8. Next 99 into 100. Alright, 99. 2 zeros having 100. So you put 2 zeros. Okay, children? You multiply the whole numbers and add the how many zeros? You multiply with 10, you add 1 zero. You multiply with 100, you add 2 zeros in the answer. You multiply with 1000, you add 3 zeros in the answer. Okay, children? You write the whole number and you add the zeros. You multiply by 10, you add 1 zero. You multiply by 100, you add 2 zeros. You multiply by 1000, you add 3 zeros. Are you understand, children? Okay. Here 1 2 is 2. You add 2 zeros. Here 178 is 78. You add 2 zeros. Next 1 5 is 5. How many zeros have? See, here 2 0. Here 1 0. So you write 1 5 is 5. Here 2 zeros. Here 1 zero. So you write 3 zeros in the answer. Okay children, we get the answer is 5000. See the word problem children. In a garden there are 132 rows of trees. Each row has 25 trees. How many trees are there in the garden? First you write number of rows of trees. How many rows? 132 rows. Next, number of trees in each row. In one row, how many trees have? 25. So you multiply these two numbers. 132 multiplied by 25. You say 2 table up to 5 times. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Alright, 0 only in 1's place, 1 is carrying over in 10's place. You say 3 table up to 5 times. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. You write 6 only in 10's place, 1 is carrying over in 100's place. 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Next, 2 2s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Next, 3 table you say 2 times. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 1 is 2. Now you add these two numbers. 0, 6 plus 4. 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 only you write here. 1 is carrying over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 only you write here. 1 is carrying over. 1 plus 2, 3. We get the answer 3300. How many trees are there in the garden? So 3300 trees are there in the garden.